Tonight we are howling at the full moon. Do wolves actually howl at the moon or not?
So there's a theory going out there that maybe there's a little bit more howling when the moon is full, meaning that there's more light. There might be more better opportunity to hunt at night. But as far as science has been able to tell, there is no actual connection to the wolf and the moon itself when it comes to actually howling at the moon. You know, it might be. So there's a lot of fear and a lot of negativity that surrounded the wolf, especially earlier in our history. And a lot of that can go back to perhaps being that there was more conflict with people and wolves out there, being they were more widespread and people didn't have a good scientific understanding of this animal earlier in our history. And so that probably added into a lot of the fear factor with the wolf and also some of the mystery behind this animal. A lot of times we fear what we don't quite understand.
Do you think the full moon actually has an effect on people? Does it cause people to act strangely?
I mean, you'd think it would, because we have words like lunacy, lunatic, that obviously derive from a belief that the moon can do that. And if people believe something, there's a psychogenic effect that would make it so.
Sort of imagine that, how do you, one, break up the connection between man and something sacred like a wolf that is not in the church doctrine, and two, break the connection with this moon ritual? Well, I would think you would create a story where man and wolf merging together results in this sort of devilish combination of like a savage that kills humans, and it happens to be around a full moon. And I know I've read some sort of reports from the Middle Ages, some coming out of Germany, where they sort of pinned a bunch of mass murders of psychopaths on the fact that they must have been a werewolf. So it sort of terrified the bejesus out of people, so they just, in a full moon, stayed in and, whoa, yes.
Well, yeah.
They were expecting that in the forest. And so on a full moon, they just stayed in, and therefore they stopped practicing their rituals, and then gradually all those beautiful traditions just kind of died out.